Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of Hyatt Centric Faneuil Hall located in Boston, Massachusetts. This modern boutique hotel is located near historic Faneuil Hall and Quincy Market, and it offers travelers easy access to some of Boston's most iconic landmarks, including the Freedom Trail, Boston Harbor, and the North End. It features modern rooms, an on-site restaurant and bar, a 24-hour fitness center, and is close to public transportation, making it convenient to explore the city. We took an Uber to the hotel instead of driving to avoid a $60 valet parking fee. As we stepped inside, we were welcomed by the warm and inviting lobby, which features plenty of space for guests to relax, finish up some work, and even watch TV. Let's take a look at 713 here at the Hyatt Centric in Boston. Let's close that door. So this is a very tiny room. So as soon as you walk in, bathroom is on the right side. It's open. So here's the shower. Small shower. They use Be Kind products. The toilet is in here. And here's a single sink vanity with a backlit mirror. It looks nice. And there's a full body mirror right here by the entrance. Here's the coffee and tea. That's the Keurig coffee maker. They have a couple of bottles of water here for purchase for $6 each. There's an in-room safe and a small fridge. Let's open that up. And right beside it is the small closet. So they have a bunch of hangers here. And they do provide you with 2 bathrobes, which is nice. And it's a small space, but you can still put maybe like 1 luggage in there. Let's open this up. Here is the iron and ironing board. And there's a big screen TV with some more space to store your luggage and some drawers below. So let's take a look at this bedroom. This is a king-size bed. And there's plugs on both sides. So there's USB plugs and regular outlets on both sides of the bed. They have a small chair right here with a small table. So if you want to eat or work on your computer, you can use that space for it. And they have a ottoman right here where you can sit down. I guess you can also eat on this table if you want to. And here's a view of the buildings outside. So it's a very compact room, but they maximize the space here. And it still looks nice. Start off your morning by enjoying fresh coffee at the espresso bar by the lobby. It's a convenient place to grab your favorite breakfast beverage before heading out to explore the city. It's open daily from 7 to 11:30 a.m. Jules on Devonshire serves locally inspired dishes with seasonal ingredients. It features a lovely bar where guests can connect with one another while enjoying a cocktail. It's open for breakfast daily from 7 to 11:30 a.m. and dinner from 4 to 11 p.m. Let's check out the fitness center here. So they provide some cold towels right there, headphones, a water dispenser, And they have a bunch of life fitness equipment here. There's some bikes. There's actually a Peloton bike, a couple treadmills, 2 ellipticals, and there's another bike right here. And they also have a nice cable machine with a couple benches and some dumbbells. And over here they also have a rowing machine. So it's a very small but very functional fitness center. A small business center with a single computer and printer are available for use by the lobby. There's also a small meeting room guests can use for more privacy. We had a good stay at Hyatt Centric Faneuil Hall. Even though our room was very compact, it was modern, clean, and the designers did a good job of maximizing the space provided. Its location makes it easy to explore the city. We were able to easily walk to various tourist attractions in the North End, take pictures of Faneuil Hall, dine at Quincy Market, explore Little Italy, and check out TD Garden. We recommend this hotel because of its convenient location, which allows guests to explore the city without having to drive the narrow streets of Boston. We would consider staying here again, but we found a better place to stay during our weekend trip. To find out what our favorite hotel was during our stay, check out our tour of Canopy by Hilton Boston and the Bostonian in the links at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.